Good morning, everyone. This is Megan from GoGPS, and today we're going to be covering what a Watchdog report is and how to manually run one. So what we're seeing right now is a Watchdog report up on the screen, and what this report really does is it tells you how your fleet is communicating, okay? So it puts it into a nice little pie chart and shows you a breakdown as to which units are communicating and which ones are not, and then tells you for how long, okay? So to manually run this report, you would click on the Vehicle tab on the left-hand side, and then choose the View drop-down at the top of the screen and select the Watchdog report. Okay. Once this loads, it'll pull up the breakdown of vehicles. Okay. So you can take a look at it from inside of the software, or you can export it into a PDF or Excel format, which I'm going to do right now, and we're going to take a look at that. So this is what the report looks like once you open it up. Okay. It gives a breakdown as to what the Fleet Watchdog report really is, how to understand the report, and then tells you what each color represents. So green means that it's okay and the GPS unit has communicated within the last 2 days. Okay. There is no action that needs to be done. That means that the unit is good and communicating. Then it gets into vehicles that have been offline for 2 to 3 days, 3 to 21 days, and then 21 plus days. Okay. So to get more information in regards to your fleet, there is a report tab in the bottom left-hand corner. You can click on that option, and it will tell you the name of the vehicle, what group the vehicle belongs to, the last known address that the vehicle reported at, the last communication date, how many days since the vehicle has moved, how many days since the vehicle has communicated, which the two of them can be the same, that we're seeing right down here, line number 30. Okay, so they can be the same, but they can also be separate. And the difference is that the vehicle, say, stopped moving on a Friday afternoon, and then Monday morning had the GPS unit unplugged to bring in for service, that's why it'll show so many more days since moved than it would be since communicating. So that's just an example of how that would happen. It also shows us here the serial number of the device that's inside of the vehicle, and then the status of the vehicle. Okay, so it's in the 21 plus days. You also have the option here to open this up into a browser to see on the map where the vehicle last communicated. So I'll click on that. And here it is. So it's showing us the exact location of where the vehicle stopped communicating. All right. Also at the bottom left-hand corner of this report, there is a summary tab. If you click on that, it'll open up and just tell you a quick overview of the vehicle and what the status is of it, so that you can really focus in and get your fleet up to 100%. So that's the Watchdog report. It's really communication-based. You have the option to manually run it like we just did, or you do have the ability to pull this report based off of being on your dashboard. So a lot of clients will have this as the first thing they see when they log into the app or onto the like to a computer, to be able to see how their fleet is doing right away and then continue on with their day. All right, so that pretty much covers the Watchdog report and how to manually run one. I hope that was very informative, and I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you.